Hello and welcome. Today we will learn how we can get a user input from console in Ruby, and this is very interesting. So let me create a new file and I will say user input.rb, and in the main.rb file I will run this file. So I will say user input.rb, and now here in this file I can say I will print a statement, what is your name, and then I will say I will create a variable user, and here I will say gets.chomp, and now I will say here puts. So this is the function that will get the input from the console, and now I'm saying hello and whatever is the value in the user. So I will say hash, and in curly brackets I will use the variable user. Let me run this and check. I will run this and here I am getting this. What is your name? I will say Raghav, and I hit enter and you can see it is saying hello Raghav here. So this is how it works. And now I can also say, suppose I want to capitalize the first letter, I will say dot capitalize, and now if I run this again, I will run this and it says what is your name, and here I say Raghav and hit enter and you can see it has capitalized the first letter. I can also use uppercase to capitalize or to put everything in uppercase. I will say uppercase, or I can say downcase as well. I will run this again and now I will give my name and you can see it has converted everything in a uppercase. I can also use this uppercase, downcase or capitalize here. So I can say user dot capitalize, and if I run this I will give my name and you can see it is adding the first letter in caps. Now if you have any integer you can say, let us say I will say print what is your phone number, and then whatever input user gives I will take as in a variable called phone. I will again use gets dot chomp, and now I will say dot to underscore I. So this will convert it into an integer, and then I will print I will call at, and I will say hash, and in curly brackets I will give the variable phone. So let me run this and check. So here I will say what is your name. I will give my name here and it says hello Raghav. Now it says what is your phone number. I will give some number here and it says I will call at this number. So this is how you can get user input and print on the screen. I hope this was useful. I will meet you in the next session. Thank you for watching.